In this episode, I'm going to go through the vine, or grapevine, as it's called in the old days, and weave. The difference between a vine and a weave. Start with a vine. So if you do a vine to your right, so it's to the side, cross behind, to the side, touch. Vine to the left, cross behind, to the left, touch. We can also have it a quarter turn. This vine, behind, turn a quarter, touch. So you turn on the third count. Okay? To the left as well, the quarter turn. To the left, cross behind, turn a quarter, touch. And the normal counting on the vine is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the normal counting on a vine. So you sort of have two options, to your left and to your right, one with a quarter turn and other without the turn. Okay, weave. The weave is more versatile, or you can do more variations with a weave than with a vine, in my opinion. So with a normal vine to your left, or to your right, sorry, is to the right, cross behind, to the right, cross in front. Yeah, and then to the left, cross behind, to the left, cross in front. The counting on the weave is 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a normal weave. But a weave could be indefinite. It could be a long sort of over in front, cross in front, across behind. You could have a weave going to the side, cross behind, to the side, in front, to the side, behind, in front, and side, behind, and so on and so on. Okay, so in my opinion, weave is you can just cut out the pieces you want. So if you want to start with cross in front, to the side, cross back, side, you can do that. Or you can start with cross behind, to the side, cross in front, side. And as I mentioned, the normal one, to the side, cross behind, side, in front. So you can have three different starting possibilities: cross in front, crossing front, starting with to the side, or starting with crossing behind. So you have a lot of, and you also the shortest weave is behind, side, cross. It's more known as behind, side, cross, but that's actually a very short weave. You can have an extended weave as well, with side, behind, side, in front, side, behind, side, in front. You can make it 6 count or 8 counts, or yeah, whatever you want fits the music. So yeah, as I said, you just cut the pieces you want. And if you want to make a quarter turn, you can do that, to the side, behind, quarter, and I will step forward on count 4. So it's a very versatile sort of steps, the weave. So. Okay, just to sum up the differences between the vine or grapevine and the weave is that the vine is just 4 steps: to the side, cross behind, side, touch, and to left, side, behind, side, touch. And the weave, you can start side, behind, side, in front, or you can start with cross behind, side, cross in front, side, or you can start with cross in front, side, cross back, side. That depends what you want. And also I've seen some step sheets mentioning vine with a cross. It's doing to the side, cross behind, to the side, cross in front. And in my opinion, that's a weave. It's not a vine. So a vine is just 4 to the sides, or with a quarter turn, and it's 4 steps. We could start from 3 steps as a behind side cross, and up to as many as you want. You just continue to cross behind and in front. So it's, yeah, up to you. Good luck.